Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up a new Substack publication. So first is first, you just have to go to your Substack and then here in order for you to create or start with your account, tap on start publishing right here, create your account, you can add your email address, agree with your terms and conditions. And then here you can set up your profile, add your name right here or your company's name or your website's name. Below you can add your bio. So here you need to describe your website, your Substack account, or what do you do here, what do you write here. Add your Instagram account. This one is optional. Tap on continue. Create your first publication. Make sure it's unique. You will see this green check right here if it's available. Then you can import your mail. You can add email address right here, but this one is optional. You can skip this part and then select your interest. Once done, it will take you directly to your Substack and you can now write your first post here on your Substack. So now on the left side, here you can go to settings and then set up your settings here on your Substack. You can set up your payment method. You can connect your Stripe as Substack is connected to Stripe or Stripe is what Substack use for payment method. You can also add a domain right here, but this one is optional. You can import subscribers here on your settings. Once you have set up your settings, then you can now continue with posting your first or schedule your post and publish. So tap on new post right here. You can also post here audio, video, note, everything is up to you. So go back and then publish your first article or first newsletter here on your Substack. And then you can now check before you launch your publication. And basically, that's how easy it is to set up a new Substack publication. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.